Hello, here's another update. I got the axle installed and new parabolics, which are GB springs. And some people may wonder, what does OS stand for? And the other side says NS. So the difference is NS goes on your passenger side, and then OS goes on your driver's side. And the reason is the OS is actually 3/8 inch higher on the ground than the NS ones. So you get the taller spring goes on the driver's side, so you don't get that lean whenever you're driving along or whenever you drive all the time. So basically the front end is done, except for the spindles. I'm going to get those all put together and everything. So I already started onto the back next. So I jacked up the back. So that's going to be cross member fixing down underneath, and have it all jacked up and ready. I could take the axle out, but I'm going to be working all along the frame here, wire wheeling the whole frame and cleaning that all up. And hopefully I won't have too many patches to do, but this is actually a train wreck back here, so we'll see how this goes. But I know in the front here this isn't too bad. It just has kind of surface rust on it, so I'm going to clean all that up. And then the exhaust is still the original exhaust, so I'm going to work on getting a replacement for that. It goes all the way up along the side, the driver's side actually. So then it comes up, it's kind of like a Series 2, but they still, this is the early Series 2A, they still had the side exhaust come out underneath the driver's side or passenger side, whatever, left-hand side, come up over and around. So clean all this up, gonna make some new straps for that. So here's an update for there. Alrighty, see you next time.